Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to create new disk partitions in Windows 11. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, as you can see, we have here disk C, D, and E. And let's say I want to add another one. So all you have to do is go to the Windows icon here, right click on it, then click on Computer Management. Now let's make this one bigger. Go to Disk Management here, click on it. And let's see, I want to split this disk. Okay, I have here 800 gigabytes. Click on it, right click, and click on Shrink Volume. Now you have to wait for a few moments. Now you have to add here the number of gigabytes you want. So let's say, for example, 300. So 300 gigabytes, you have to type 300,000. Okay, like this. Okay, 300,000 megabytes. Okay, after that, click on Shrink. And now, as you can see here, this is our new disk, 292 gigabytes, because 1 gigabyte equals, I think, 1024 megabytes. Okay, click on it, right click, then click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next, click on Next. We have here the letter. You can change it if you want. So I will keep it on F and click on Next. Now keep this like this, and here you have to change the name if you want. So I will type, for example, Imrani, like this, and click on Next. Click on Finish. Now wait for a few moments, and as you can see, this is our new disk. Let's go to our PC, and as you can see, this is that new disk here. Okay, you can click on it, add new folder if you want. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.